Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are filming my skincare regime the morning and evening, like the update, my daily basis. Very simple, very fast. Right now we have still very humid weather, so I still didn't switch my products from summer into, let's say, colder month skincare. So, but since I didn't do a skincare update of the summer, so I didn't really talk about this product. Now, in general, I don't use heavy products like very rich creams or like, I don't know, like my skin is combinational, like normal combination skin. So I can get away pretty much with any texture, but not too heavy. So I'm gonna start with the morning. Now, the morning, okay, I'm being a bit lazy these days. I don't really wash my face in the morning. I used to, and I do sometimes, but I just use this thermal water. I put it on a cotton, like very soft one that absorbs very fast, and I wipe my face with the, like, kind of, it's my wash. But I use this thermal water because it's milder, it's not that harsh, and so I don't really, like, you know, like, of course you can wash it just with the water, but I find it more of a, like a skincare beneficial. And then I will use the balancing toner. It's Harmonizing toner by Austrian brand Tomorrow's Lab. I talked about this brand. I had several products by them. This is my second bottle. This is the balancing toner. It's very kind of a medicinal sort of a brand. They have this special formula technology. It's called HSF. I think I did the review on their products a while ago. Now I love this. It's moisturizing. It's moisturizing. It's balancing. It also preserves the how you call it, microbiome of your skin, and yeah, and strengthening the barrier of your skin, and also prepares for absorption of the active ingredients. Now, yeah, I use this for over a year, and this is my second bottle. Well, not this one, like, yeah, I just buy it on regular because I feel like this is exactly what I need. It's, I don't know if you can buy it in any shop, but maybe some specific shops or online. Then if I wash my face, I wash it with this face cleanser by Fresh, my recent discovery. Really liking it, very mild. It's called Soy Face Cleanser, gentle cleansing for face and eyes. Now, this one that I use it also in the evening. Now, in the morning, my serum after the toner will be the Collagen Boost by Cabine. It's a Spanish brand. I talked about it. Love this product. It has also the collagen. It has firming peptides and squalene. So yeah, really good one. Face is plump, and I'm like, literally, it plumps your skin like instantly. It's my, I don't know, maybe fourth bottle already. Love this, especially in the morning. And then it depends. Either I can use the on top this it's called Hydrating Plumbing Water Cream. It has a lot of hyaluronic acid here by Filorga. Love this cream. It like smells nice. Very, it's so light, but it's moisturizing. It's so good. Absorbs fast. Look, it's just has such a nice plumping effect. I don't know if you can see it on my hand. I'm absolutely loving this. I use it in the morning and also in the evening. Well, it depends. If I don't use it in the morning, sometimes it's just after the serum, go right to my SPF that has salicylic acid, niacinamide, good for my combination skin, loving it. It's very liquid. I showed it in my previous videos or like some time ago. It's very liquid. You have to shake it. It absorbs fast. Very good for combination skin and also pretty much any skin. Loving it. No white cast, nothing. Perfection. This is by Garnier. So yeah, really good. And that would be my day. Okay, for the eyes. Sometimes I skip in the morning the eye cream because I feel like this serum already does the job. But sometimes I use a Filorga Optim-Eyes Contour Intensive Revitalizing 3-in-1 Contour Cream. Loving this cream. It's one of my favorites. My second jar already. Love how like ingredient preserving the packaging is. You pump and then you put it back like this, completely closed. Nothing gets in. Loving it. This is I use in the evening as well. This is like my eye cream, all rounder. Now in the evening I wash my face. Okay, I'm very lazy these days. I don't really put a lot of makeup. I don't use a lot of makeup. Sometimes just go only with some concealer and powder and bronzer. I just wipe my face with the Bioderma Micellar water. This one I have brightening micellar water for combination skin, because I've been using also in summer, but normally I use with a red, pink, like pink cup. This one is more for combination skin, and yeah, it has like, it's actually like against pigmentation or dark spots, sensitive skin. Now, yeah, that's why I was using it in summer. Protects from getting dark spots. I don't know how, but whatever. This micellar water is really good. So wipe the first layer with this water, and then I cleanse it with this soya milk, soya face cleanser, and then I wipe it with the face cloth. Oops. And yeah, I think I'm gonna have a scrape here. And yeah, and then I use my toner, this one again. And then depends. Some days I use the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair. It's almost done, it goes to empties. It's really like today I still used it. This one, all-rounder, you know this, has peptides. It's just one of the best ones I think I've been using for 20 years on and off. It's always on my shelf, basically. If I don't use this, yeah, I cover also with this cream afterwards. If I don't use this serum, 3 nights per week, I use peptides. This is the over-the-counter in Spain, Spanish brand. It's called Reterides. This is your kind of a retinoid, but over-the-counter, not prescription. But it's potency-wise, it's as strong, but not probably as strong as it like all your skin gets off sometimes. I can use it. I use already 0.5. I start with 0.3, I think, yeah. And then I will end using like 1% probably. Loving it. Just, you know, one of the best things, anti-age. And I normally don't put on top anything. I'll just, you know, go with the, actually, when I wash my face and I use this, I don't use toner. I spray my face with this. And then I just use this, and that's it. But of course, I'm gonna put the eye cream around my eyes, or eye cream around eyes, yeah. Now, on the days when my skin needs some exfoliation, like once per week, I use Filorga Sleep and Peel with glycolic acid and I think salicylic acid as well. Wonderful, wonderful night peel. Your face will be so bright and smooth in the morning. I use it only once per week. It's my peel, like chemical peel, because I don't use the physical, like I don't use any scrubs. On the days the last product on the days when I have blemishes or some imperfections or some, I don't know, rash or whatever, acne, sometimes like once per month or something, I use maybe 2 times in a row. This mask never fails. Tea Tree by The Body Shop. This is mask that I discovered a million years ago, and I didn't find anything better for my skin. It works for me. So yeah, I use it 2 times in a row maybe. If I have only like a kind of rash here or some pimples here, I use them on this part because normally I have it here. And yeah, in the morning you wake up, it's almost like smoothed out. If you use it 2 times in a row, you pretty much get rid of your pimples. Like, obviously if it's not really chronic, like as if you're problematic skin, just like here and there stuff. And that's that. This is my easygoing skincare regime at the moment. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you liked it. Write me something down below the video. What's your favorite product at the moment? And I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.